How to set your WhatsApp About permanently on Android. This tutorial shows you how to update your About section in WhatsApp and keep it exactly the way you want it. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. From there, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. At this point, tap on Settings. Tap on your name or profile at the top to open your profile page. After that, tap on About. From there, tap on the current About text to edit it. Clear the existing text and type in your new About. Once done, tap the check mark or confirm button to save it. Keep in mind, WhatsApp does not automatically reset your About, so once it is saved, it will stay permanently unless you change it yourself. Finally, go back to your profile and confirm your About is showing correctly. And that's it. If this guide helped you set your WhatsApp About the way you want it, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.